Hello to the best viewers in the world. Tonight, I have a special experience for you. Driving at midnight on the Pardis-Tehran Freeway, a road that thousands of cars pass through daily, yet few people know its history and the stories behind it. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore both the road and some fascinating facts together. Pardis City, from idea to reality. Let's first take a look at Pardis City itself. Pardis is a newly developed city near Tehran, designed in the 1990s to reduce Tehran's population congestion. Due to its clean air and proximity to the capital, many people have chosen to live here. Before the Pardis Freeway was built, people used the Old Rudhen Road to travel between Tehran and eastern towns. This road was known for its many twists and turns, making it challenging, especially in winter. But it wasn't just the road's difficulty that made it special, it has a deep history too. There is an ancient mosque along this road, dating back centuries. Many travelers have passed by it without realizing its significance. Now, I have a challenge for you. If this video reaches 1,000 likes, I will drive along the Old Rudhen Road, film the entire route, and take you to see this historic mosque up close. So, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends to make this happen. As traffic increased and more people started traveling east of Tehran, a faster and safer road became necessary. That's how the Pardis-Tehran Freeway was designed and built. It was inaugurated in 2011 and significantly reduced travel time between Tehran and Pardis. This 23-kilometer freeway includes several tunnels and elevated bridges, making the drive much smoother and more efficient. Unfortunately, social media often spreads misleading information about Iran. If you only follow online news, you might think Iran is unsafe or dangerous, but the reality is very different. Iran is one of the safest countries in the region, especially for foreign tourists. Visitors who have traveled to Iran always talk about how warm and welcoming the people are. Yes, there are economic and political challenges, but that does not mean that travelers are at risk. If any foreigner is watching this video and considering a trip to Iran, they should know Iranian people are incredibly friendly and hospitable. Despite what some media say, Iran is a very safe destination for tourists. Iran is full of breathtaking landscapes, stunning historical sites, and vibrant cities. Would you like to visit Iran someday? If you're Iranian, which city would you recommend for foreign tourists? Or, if you've already been to Iran, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. I'm looking forward to reading your amazing comments.